if you reach, then I teach. Everybody think they poppin', better pay attention to the real. I'ma lay some shit down before I eat my last meal. Everybody pick and choosing, better pick your day ones. They gon' blow your fucking brain, you can't go back to square one. I'm a bad man with that pistol, watch me shoot it with my thumb. Drilling all in your city, it's hella bass inside this drum.
She rockin' 50, I treat her like a queen cause it's in me. You niggas clutchin' pole, we clutchin' smitties. Bounty on my head, come and get me. I'm never ever like.
Alright, so this fucking bitch, we're changing the axles today because the axle, you'll see when I take it out, is fucking gone. And all of a sudden, you know, might have wanted to get some runs in with Jordan, but the fucking stupid, it's giving me a cam 1 code. I just had a big ass issue with this car, and bank 2 is giving me a cam sensor bank 2 code, and now it's fucking, I fixed it, ended up being my engine harness after swapping out all the inverters and testing other crap, checking my trigger wheels, all that stuff. And turns out the whole time it was my engine harness, but now I'm getting the rear one. So hopefully we could figure it out. Hopefully it's just a sensor. Like, I mean, this car, when I tell you, you guys owned it, you would have sold it, I mean that. Oh shit. This thing just gives me so much issues. And all I do is buy parts. Huh? There's Jordan. But, oh damn, everything is slim, man. But, yeah, so hopefully we'll get my axles changed out, and then I'll probably swap his sensor into my car, and then his like a sub harness, and then see what that does, because I just need this thing to run good. The Z's down, as you guys know. Alright, so this fucking bitch, we're changing the axles today because the axle, you'll see when I take it out, is fucking gone. And all of a sudden, you know, might have wanted to get some runs in with Jordan, but the fucking stupid, it's giving me a cam 1 code. I just had a big ass issue with this car, and bank 2 is giving me a cam sensor bank 2 code, and now it's fucking, I fixed it, ended up being my engine harness after swapping out all the inverters and testing other crap, checking my trigger wheels, all that stuff. And turns out the whole time it was my engine harness, but now I'm getting the rear one. So hopefully we could figure it out. Hopefully it's just a sensor. Like, I mean, this car, when I tell you, you guys owned it, you would have sold it, I mean that. Oh shit. This thing just gives me so much issues, and all I do is buy parts. Huh? There's Jordan. But, oh damn, everything is slim, man. But, yeah, so hopefully we'll get my axles changed out, and then I'll probably swap his sensor into my car, and then his like a sub harness, and then see what that does, because I just need this thing to run good. The Z's down, as you guys know. He's down right now, so I'm just trying to get that all done. I'm trying to gather gaskets. They're damn near empty. Shout out to King 2 Clean. Put me on that boy Big 30. Nah, we were gonna run it, but fucking this car's being weird. Slow ass Tesla, bro. Come on. Weird, but he can do that, but he won't run it. Come on now, man. I ain't no lie, man. Shit clean. I was fucking around with a little Q60S. He didn't want it though. He's with his girl. He couldn't drive, bro. Talking about, I was in low RPM 4th gear, like, fuck out of here, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, this is my Maxima on the 85, 6 speed. I got shit back there, but you know what I'm saying? Got my OG racer glasses on. I upshifted. Look at that shit. Forget that shit. Tyler's right now. We gotta do, I don't know. He's doing axles. I'm probably gonna wash my car because it's pretty dusty. But, so I got the Z wheel and, you know, everything work on this thing. I got a supercharger. I almost hit that curb, man. Trying to record. That's me, man. That's my brakes. I need to throw them Z32 brakes on. Chill. Alright, so we're changing the axle. You already know, gotta get that center cap to fit. That axle is fucked. I'm gonna mess with the coilover to try to get it to not fucking cut into it. But we already got that one all shaved. There's a piece. Might have shaved it much, but it should be fine. But the good carb right here that runs good. And you got this shitter with the bangers, bro. You got mine that just, you know, dumps pulleys. Why are you in my face, bro? You always do that. And people will take screenshots of me and put me on Instagram and say, yo, HR Max quality content. Like, fuck. You know what I'm saying, bro? Yeah. Yeah, I know what you're saying. Go show them my Maxima, bro. Oh, you want to see this shitter? That's the best one, on the 85, bro. Ah, it's hitting nice in the sun. But yeah, this is the slowest one in the group. Alright. He thinks he's cool, but he's really just slow. I'm using my phone right now because of GoPro. I need SD cards, so you want to go buy one of those too? We'll get that too, but damn, that thing's pretty. This is the trap. Sheesh, bro. Look at that wheel gap. That's how Tyler will look if he puts wheels on without coils. I'm over here looking like fucking Evan in this bitch, you know? That negative 56 boy. And then it's back to doing a cam issue, so just swapped the engine harness, but it's giving me the rear, so hoping it's this, and then we'll be good. So I'll get back to you guys when we go to the store to pick up some axle sockets. So axles changed. We think I changed the sensor. The car started fine now. Other than that, it's running straight. I mean, I have to go drive it. That shit was fucking done. But that AutoZone warranty, I need to wash it now. But we should be good. Jordan just raced. Look at them toes, boy. He just ran an egg, and it was a good run though.
Why is the exhaust sticking out so much?
Because that thing, you don't have the thing connected.
I want to take it off.
Maybe I'll run
Until
him.
that day.
All right, so timing cover's all done on the motor. Gallery gaskets, crank seal. Now it's just time to do these pans because as you guys can see, they're leaking pretty bad. But once that's done, then this motor's gonna be basically done. Valve cover's all resealed. Just change all these gaskets, and this shit is ready to go. All that's left is to get the slave, the C-Mac slave kit, and the master, and then we're good to go. But motor's pretty clean, and yeah.
Early the next morning.
Just got to the junkyard. Ultima SCR. Manual, we're gonna drop the tranny right now. Because we don't have a spare one for us. But shit, these are hard to come across, especially here. The wheels fucking not curved. Huh? And the thing it had just an intake.
It's not punishing shit with this D, bro.
Go first then. Yo, Where's the 21?
It's in there.
Huh?
Yeah. Switch.
Shit. Well, we'll get back to you guys when we have it dropped. We'll just drop this subframe. Take the 20 off. And this SCR Ultima. Mm-hmm. 12. 12.
Hey, but he's gone strong as fuck.
Huh? I know. That boy right there. Should drop. Imagine, bro, has like a fucking state street performance clutch, JWT for live with. I know.
You ready?
Damn, bingo.
We do this, dog.
Yes, sir, man.
No, it's easy. You gotta pull that off.
Grab the pedals.
Fuck, I should have took the bottom bolt
You
off.
grab the harness.
We're back here.
We just pulled a 6-speed swap for Ultima SCR. Transmission I'm gonna keep as a spare because why not? Only thing left to get out is the cables, but I need a 10 wrench and that's it. This bitch. Chill, you're gonna need vice grips. But yeah. Get a 10 or I think it's a 12 and pop the clutch. Take the clutch bolts. Yeah. I mean, I would have got the bezel, but it's cracked, so that's no money there. Made in Japan, my boy. They rattle can this bitch. I'm smoking little cigarettes and shit. I mean, I'd get one of these. I like the cluster and how it has a pod and shit.
Let me get the red thing.
But, alright.
Yes, sir, bro. Put it in that work, bro.
Got this shit like a Maxima, my brother.
Yeah, I bet. Drive it like a Maxima. Max sauce. But transmission seems straight. Only if it was an LSD, but yeah. Hit me up.
10 years later.
First time out since fucking clean culture. You just got everything done. Bro, look at the on there. We got a little red from the fucking brake fluid, bro.
I know.
No biggie. This shit has some stuff coming for it soon. Whew. What you order for it, Tyler?
Huh?
What you order for it?
Oh.
New headlights. Get rid of them shits. So bumper just got to get painted, and then I gotta lower it a tad bit. Don't look bad, but it's riding good.
Nah.
Yeah, use that shit on that fucking hunker. Nah. You hear that, guys? Nah. And then we don't bring microfiber, so it has to. But quick little wash. They're spending a fucking long ass time on this thing.